Daily U.S. Aviation Weather Impact Summary. December 15th, 2025. A powerful Arctic cold front has surged eastward across the nation today, carving a sharp temperature gradient from the northern plains into the southeast and northeast. This deep polar air mass behind the front is driving widespread sub-freezing temperatures well south of climatological norms, creating meaningful operational impacts on ceilings and visibility, surface conditions, winds aloft, and runway contamination. The dominant macro-scale pattern features a deep, long-wave trough over the central and eastern United States, with a strong jet core reinforcing cold advection and a tight pressure gradient. Snow from the prior system has transitioned to lake effect and post-frontal snow showers across the upper Midwest, Great Lakes, and central Appalachians, while cold, dry air dominates the deep south and much of the Gulf Coast. Over the west, the Pacific Northwest remains under persistent moist onshore flow with low ceilings and mountain snow, while Southern California, the Central Valley, and the desert Southwest remain largely dry under weak ridging, with localized morning fog potential. Across the northern plains and upper Midwest, Arctic air has driven temperatures sharply lower, with areas of blowing snow and lingering low ceilings where moisture remains. IFR conditions persist in snow showers, downwind of the Great Lakes, with turbulence in the low levels under strong cold advection. The Ohio Valley into the central and southern Appalachians continues to deal with snow-covered surfaces, reduced visibilities, and operational delays early today, while gusty northwest winds behind the departing system compound wind chill and ramp hazards. In the Northeast and New England, lingering snow cover and brisk northwest flow maintain pockets of MVFR to IFR, especially in exposed terrain and near the coast. Low-level mechanical turbulence remains likely beneath the core of the upper jet. In the southeast and Florida, the frontal passage is marked by a strong northwest wind surge and rapidly falling temperatures. Gusts frequently exceed 35 knots, producing crosswind challenges, low-level turbulence, and wind-driven operational constraints at coastal and inland fields alike. Hard freezes inland raise de-icing and cold weather ground handling concerns despite generally dry air. Along the Gulf Coast and deep south, conditions are predominantly VFR under a cold, dry continental air mass, though strong surface winds remain an operational consideration. The Pacific Northwest continues to see widespread IFR ceilings, reduced visibility in rain, and mountain snow impacting terrain crossings and alternates. Elsewhere across the West, VFR dominates, with patchy valley stratus and fog possible in the Central Valley and interior basins early today.